Google Docs gives you lots of options for creating bulleted lists. Once you select the copy that you want to use as a list within a Google Doc, here in the menu bar, you can choose to create a checklist. You can, by simply clicking on bulleted list, create a simple bulleted list. You can use different icons for the bullets by quickly selecting them from the options available to you within this drop-down menu, or you can turn this into an ordered list where you have numbers or letters as far as demarking the different bullets within your checklists. Creating bulleted checklists in Google Docs is just that easy. I hope that helped and we answered your question. If we did, a like would be greatly appreciated. Check out our other videos, and if there are questions you have that aren't answered by them, please share those thoughts in YouTube comments and we'll do our best to create a video on that topic in the future. Till next time, I'm Steve Dotto. Have fun storming a castle.